I'm Ravish Garodia and my company's name is Transmission Line Products, and we manufacture railways overhead electrification fittings, both for Indian Railways, metros, and could be even for bullet trains. Currently in the Indian market majorly, and apart from Indian market, we are also catering abroad through channel partners. This company was started somewhere around 85, but at that time it was catering only to transmission line as in the state electricity board, and then slowly and steadily as the railways demand increased, we started serving in Indian Railways also. And since 2019 we have been catering to Indian Railways, metros, DFCC, and even few foreign buyers through channel partners. We are using SLTL's laser cutting machine for the plates, and apart from that we have BFW's, VMCs and turning centers. We had bought this SLTL's laser cutting machine for the plates around 2 years back, and we took this machine because of the quality and the precision. I had already tested the machines from the China, but the quality of SLTL was far superior than that of the Chinese, especially when the thickness of the plates increased. And I was very much welcomed out there in their plant in Ahmedabad. We actually tested the plates cutting and the precision, and only then the order was released. It was totally up to the mark, as in totally I would say as per the international standards I would say. So currently I'm looking into buying laser marking machines, could be 3 or 4, and after that in the second stage or the third stage I might be even looking for a laser cutting machine for the pipes channels. SLTL's marketing team and the service team is really very good. There were problems, but whatever problem there was, it was taken care well within the time itself. And in case it would take time, I was very much informed.